In a crowded city, full of noise and rush, there lived a young man named Ravi. Life was never easy for him. Every single day felt like a battle, long working hours, low salary, and constant pressure just to survive. Some days were so hard that Ravi would skip his meals, not because he wanted to, but because he had to save money. Still, he never complained. He simply kept moving forward, hoping that one day things would change. One cold evening, after an exhausting day at work, Ravi finally bought a small packet of food. It wasn't much, just enough to satisfy his hunger for the night. Holding it in his hand, he slowly started walking home, his body tired and weak. As he walked through the dim street, something caught his attention. Sitting by the roadside was an old man. He looked extremely weak. His clothes were torn, his hands were trembling, and his face carried a deep pain that words couldn't explain. But what truly stopped Ravi was the look in his eyes. It wasn't just hunger, it was helplessness. Ravi froze. He looked at the food in his hand, and then at the old man. His stomach growled. That was the only meal he had. If he gave it away, he would go to sleep hungry. For a few moments, he stood there silently, caught in a battle between his need and his heart. Then, without thinking any further, Ravi made a decision. He walked towards the old man and gently placed the food into his hands. The old man looked up in shock. His eyes slowly filled with tears. With a trembling voice, he said, "Son, I haven't eaten in 2 days. You didn't just give me food, you gave me life." Ravi didn't know what to say. He just gave a small smile and walked away. That night, Ravi slept on an empty stomach. Hunger was there, but something else was there too, a deep sense of peace. A kind of happiness he had never felt before. Days passed, and life continued as usual. But something inside Ravi had changed. Even though he still had very little, his heart felt lighter, stronger. Then one day, something unexpected happened. Ravi received a call for a job interview from a well-known company. It felt unreal. Opportunities like this didn't come easily to him. With a mix of nervousness and hope, Ravi walked into the office on the day of the interview. But the moment he stepped inside the room, he froze. Sitting right in front of him was the same old man. But this time, he wasn't weak. He wasn't helpless. He was well-dressed, confident, and carried an aura of respect. Ravi stood there, completely shocked. The man looked at him and smiled gently. "I remember you," he said. "That day, I wasn't just hungry for food. I was searching for humanity. I wanted to see if anyone would stop to help, without expecting anything in return." He paused for a moment and continued, "Many people walked past me. But you didn't. You gave me your only meal." Ravi's eyes filled with tears. The man leaned forward and said, "A person who can give even when he has nothing is a person with true strength. That's the kind of person I need in my company." In that moment, Ravi realized something powerful. That one small act of kindness had changed his entire life. That day, he didn't just get a job. He found purpose. He found respect. And most importantly, he found the true meaning of humanity. Moral of the story is, sometimes, the smallest act of kindness can create the biggest change in life. Helping someone when you have plenty is easy. But helping when you have almost nothing, that's what defines who you truly are. You may think it's just a small help, just one meal. But for someone else, it could mean survival, hope, and a reason to keep going. And life has a beautiful way of returning what you give, often when you least expect it. Thank you so much for watching this story. I hope this story helped you improve your English listening. Listening to stories is very important because it helps you understand English naturally. You can learn new words, improve pronunciation, and understand how sentences are used in real life. If you didn't understand everything, that's okay. Listen again slowly. You will improve step by step. Try to learn a few new words from this story and practice speaking them every day. If you like this type of content, please like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Let's learn English together in a simple and easy way. See you in the next video.